Good afternoon, Gerrit Harting. I want to show you how to approve an assessment, the weekly self-assessment. So firstly, you're going to log into HR Simplified. Log in there. I'm going to log into as an employee. Log into as an employee. What you do is, this is the home landing page. See, there's a submit the medal, submit the yellow card. But what you do is you go to talent management, and under talent management, you go to assessment approvals. Under assessment approvals, you will have all the assessments done by the people that you're responsible for, the people that you report to. So what you can see here, you can see the date when the employer submitted the self-assessment or whatever assessment you choose, what was the score, and then you can then decide, okay, do I want to bulk approve everything? Let's say you've got a number of people and you're generally happy, then you can approve the selected items or you can reject the selected items. But what I'd like to do is I want to illustrate to you how do you edit an assessment. So let's say something that you pick up an assessment and you don't agree with that or it doesn't look right. So what you do is you select that particular employee, you then go to edit, and now it takes you to the assessment that was done by the employee. What is fantastic now, we've added a feature where you can make notes. So this is the assessment of the employee. They gave themselves a 1. You can then edit it there and you can make a note. New evidence, whatever note you want to make there, you then record it there. So let's say you want to change that. So please come and see me, or you can, whatever you want to make there, saying is keep up the good work, etc. So go down the list, and then you save it, and that's your new assessment. Bear in mind, once you've saved it, you've edited it, you have to prove it again. That's unfortunately the thing that doesn't automatically save it. So you'll have to go back to that employee, but that's the bulk feature, and then you just save it there. So there's the one I've just edited, and I can just say, now I want to save it, and you say approve the selected items, and that's that. If you, of course, if you want to generate the report, you can either delete it, you can reject it, you can edit it. So I'm going to say generate it. So if you say generate it, it produces the nice PDF report where you can see what it looks like. And there it is. You can go through all the points. So that is the assessment approvals. Thank you very much for your time.